Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Cox.
And I'm Dr. Jared Norman, and we're with Nevada Spine and Disc. We'd like to give you a chiropractic tip.
If you're currently seeing a chiropractor and you're wondering about during what length of time would you expect to begin to experience positive results where the level of pain is beginning to subside, I would recommend to you as a chiropractor that unless you've been involved in a rather serious accident, that typically with, I would say, 80 to 90% of patients who go to a chiropractic office will begin to see positive results within 2 weeks. And if you're not receiving results within 2 weeks, it might potentially be time for you to consider asking the doctor what his expectations for you are. Because as a chiropractor, I can tell you that those a 2-week window from beginning through the second week, you definitely should begin to notice improvements. And if the chiropractor that you are seeing is not able to give you a reasonable explanation, it might be time for you to consider a second opinion.
One question I get asked all the time is, what's a good stretch for my low back? Now that's a really good question. And what I've found is that there's really two muscles that can create a lot of low back pain, and that's your glute muscles and your piriformis muscle. The piriformis muscle is just below the glute muscle. So I'm going to show you two different ways to stretch these two muscles. So the first way is, and it's actually the most effective way, is to lay down on your back. You could do this, most commonly is done on your bed. You're going to lay down, you're going to grab one knee, and you're going to pull it up to your chest. And as you stretch this muscle, as you do this, you'll feel it stretching right here in the middle of your glute muscle. And then you're going to hold that for about 20 seconds. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull that knee across your body to the other side. And that's where you're going to feel it more on the side here. And that's stretching your piriformis muscle. And you're going to hold that for 20 seconds. And you're going to do that on both sides. That's actually the best way to stretch these muscles. But you're not always close to a bed or a place that you can lay down and do this stretch. So if you're at work and you're getting that tight low back, you can also do it in your chair. You're just going to cross your leg like this. Then you're going to pull that knee. Once again, you're going to pull it up to your chest like this. Okay? And that, once again, is going to stretch these butt muscles, the glute and the piriformis. And then another way is you just sit upright like this with your leg crossed. Keep your back nice and straight, and then you're just going to lean forward. Okay? And that's going to stretch that same area, your glute muscles, your piriformis muscle, and that's really going to loosen up that low back and really help you to manage that low back pain that you're dealing with. I have patients all the time tell me, oh, it hurts when I do this, but it hurts me all the time. That's just normal. Well, it is not normal. Any type of pain in your body is an alarm that your body is telling you that there is something wrong. In fact, in many disease processes, pain is the last symptom to show up. And oftentimes during the treatment, it's the first one to go away. So pain is just an indicator that there's a problem going on. The sooner you get treatment for the type of pain that you're suffering, the sooner it'll go away. If you wait, the longer you wait, the longer it's going to take to fix, and the longer you're going to be suffering with this problem. So anytime you start experiencing some pain, go to your chiropractor. Get it checked out. You'll get better faster, and you'll stay better longer. If you go to a chiropractor's office, they'll perform an examination, take x-rays. They will do everything they can to uncover the underlying condition. And then they will do physical treatments to correct that problem. They'll work on your muscles. They'll align your spine. They'll do all these different kinds of treatments to fix the problem so that this back pain, the neck pain, will go away and won't come back.
If you've liked what you've heard and you'd like to know more, visit us at stopthebackpainnow.com.